Welcome to our comprehensive guide on chart patterns in investing. If you've ever wondered how traders predict market movements, chart patterns are one of their most powerful tools. These visual formations on price charts help investors identify trends, reversals, and potential entry or exit points. In this video, we'll break down the most common chart patterns, explain how they work, and show you how to use them in your own investment strategy. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, understanding chart patterns can give you a significant edge in the markets. Chart patterns are specific formations created by the movement of asset prices on a chart. These patterns are used by traders and investors to forecast future price movements based on historical data. By recognizing these shapes, you can anticipate whether a stock is likely to continue its trend or reverse direction. Chart patterns are a key part of technical analysis, which focuses on price action rather than company fundamentals. Throughout this video, we'll explore both continuation and reversal patterns, helping you understand when to buy, sell, or hold. You might be wondering why chart patterns are so important in investing. The answer lies in market psychology. Patterns form because investors tend to react in similar ways to certain price movements, creating repeatable shapes on charts. By learning to recognize these patterns, you can gain insight into the collective behavior of market participants. This knowledge helps you make more informed decisions, manage risk, and potentially increase your return. In the next scenes, we'll dive into specific patterns and how to spot them. Chart patterns generally fall into two categories: continuation and reversal. Continuation patterns suggest that the current trend will keep going, while reversal patterns indicate a possible change in direction. Knowing the difference is crucial for timing your trades. For example, if you spot a continuation pattern during an uptrend, you might consider holding your position. On the other hand, a reversal pattern could signal it's time to take profits or cut losses. Let's start by looking at some common continuation patterns. Flag pattern is a popular continuation pattern that resembles a small rectangle or parallelogram sloping against the prevailing trend. It forms after a sharp price movement, known as the flagpole, followed by a period of consolidation. This pattern signals that the market is taking a brief pause before continuing in the same direction. Traders often look for a breakout above or below the flag to confirm the next move. Spotting flag patterns can help you ride strong trends and avoid premature exits. Similar to the flag, the pennant pattern is another continuation signal. After a strong price movement, the market consolidates in a small symmetrical triangle, forming the pennant. This pattern typically lasts for a short period before the price breaks out in the direction of the previous trend. Pennants are common in fast-moving markets and are favored by active traders. Recognizing a pennant can help you stay with the trend and maximize your gain. Ascending triangle is a bullish continuation pattern. It forms when the price creates a series of higher lows while meeting resistance at a horizontal level. This pattern suggests that buyers are gaining strength and may soon push the price above resistance. A breakout from the upper boundary often signals the start of a new upward move. Ascending triangles are especially useful for identifying potential entry points during uptrends. The flip side, the descending triangle, is a bearish continuation pattern. It occurs when the price forms lower highs while finding support at a horizontal level. This pattern indicates that sellers are becoming more aggressive and may soon drive the price below support. A breakdown from the lower boundary often leads to further declines. Descending triangles are valuable for spotting short-selling opportunities or managing risk in downtrends. Symmetrical triangle is a neutral pattern that can signal either a continuation or a reversal, depending on the breakout direction. It forms when the price makes a series of lower highs and higher lows, converging towards a point. This pattern reflects a period of indecision in the market, with buyers and sellers in balance. A breakout above or below the triangle often triggers a strong move, so it's important to watch for confirmation before acting. Cup and handle is a bullish continuation pattern that looks like a teacup on the chart. It starts with a rounded bottom, the cup, followed by a small consolidation, the handle. This pattern suggests a pause before the price resumes its upward trend. Traders often look for a breakout above the handle to confirm the next move. The cup and handle is popular for identifying long-term buying opportunities. Double top is a classic reversal pattern that signals a potential trend change from bullish to bearish. It forms when the price reaches a high point twice with a moderate decline in between. This pattern suggests that buying pressure is fading and sellers may soon take control. A break below the support level between the two tops confirms the reversal. Double tops are useful for spotting exit points or short-selling opportunities. Double bottom is the opposite of the double top and signals a potential reversal from bearish to bullish. It forms when the price hits a low point twice with a moderate rally in between. This pattern indicates that selling pressure is weakening and buyers may soon drive the price higher. A breakout above the resistance level between the two bottoms confirms the reversal. Double bottoms are great for identifying buying opportunities after a downtrend. Head and shoulders pattern is one of the most reliable reversal signals. It consists of three peaks: a higher peak, the head, between two lower peaks, the shoulders. This pattern typically forms at the end of an uptrend and signals a potential reversal to the downside. A break below the neckline, which connects the lows between the peaks, confirms the reversal. Head and shoulders patterns help traders spot trend changes early. Inverse head and shoulders is the bullish counterpart to the standard head and shoulders pattern. It forms after a downtrend and consists of three troughs: a lower trough, the head, between two higher troughs, the shoulders. A breakout above the neckline signals a potential trend reversal to the upside. This pattern is widely used to identify buying opportunities at the end of a bearish trend. Rising wedge is a bearish reversal pattern that forms when the price makes higher highs and higher lows, but the range narrows over time. This pattern often appears at the end of an uptrend and signals that buying momentum is fading. A breakdown below the lower trend line confirms the reversal. Rising wedges are useful for spotting potential tops and preparing for a trend change. Falling wedge is a bullish reversal pattern that forms when the price makes lower highs and lower lows, but the range narrows. This pattern typically appears at the end of a downtrend and signals that selling pressure is easing. A breakout above the upper trend line confirms the reversal. Falling wedges are great for identifying potential bottoms and preparing for upward moves. Rectangle pattern, also known as a trading range, forms when the price moves sideways between parallel support and resistance levels. This pattern reflects a period of consolidation with buyers and sellers in balance. A breakout above resistance or below support signals the next move. Rectangles can act as either continuation or reversal patterns depending on the breakout direction. Triple top is a bearish reversal pattern that forms when the price reaches the same high 3 times with pullbacks in between. This pattern indicates that buyers are unable to push the price higher and sellers may soon take over. A break below the support level confirms the reversal. Triple tops are useful for identifying potential tops and managing risk. Triple bottom is the bullish counterpart to the triple top. It forms when the price hits the same low 3 times with rallies in between. This pattern suggests that sellers are losing strength and buyers may soon drive the price higher. A breakout above resistance confirms the reversal. Triple bottoms are great for spotting buying opportunities after a prolonged downtrend. Rounding bottom is a bullish reversal pattern that looks like a shallow bowl on the chart. It forms after a prolonged downtrend and signals a gradual shift from selling to buying pressure. This pattern often leads to a sustained upward move. Rounding bottoms are useful for identifying long-term trend changes and potential entry points. Rounding top is the bearish counterpart to the rounding bottom. It forms after an uptrend and resembles an inverted bowl. This pattern signals a gradual shift from buying to selling pressure and often leads to a sustained downward move. Rounding tops are helpful for spotting trend reversals and planning exits. Gaps occur when the price jumps from one level to another with no trading in between. These gaps can form as part of various chart patterns and often signal strong momentum. There are different types of gaps, such as breakaway, runaway, and exhaustion gaps. Understanding gaps can help you interpret chart patterns more accurately and anticipate sudden moves. Support and resistance levels are the foundation of most chart patterns. Support is a price level where buying interest is strong enough to prevent further declines, while resistance is where selling pressure halts upward moves. Recognizing these levels helps you identify entry and exit points, set stop losses, and manage risk. Most chart patterns form around key support and resistance zone. Volume plays a crucial role in confirming chart patterns. A breakout accompanied by high trading volume is more likely to succeed, while low volume breakouts may fail. Watching volume helps you filter out false signals and improve your trading accuracy. Always check for volume confirmation when analyzing chart patterns. Not all breakouts from chart patterns lead to sustained moves. Sometimes the price briefly moves beyond support or resistance only to reverse direction. These are known as false breakouts or fakeouts. Being aware of false breakouts helps you avoid traps and manage risk more effectively. Use additional confirmations such as volume or candlestick patterns to validate breakouts. Chart patterns can appear on any time frame from minutes to months. The reliability of a pattern increases on longer timeframes such as daily or weekly charts. Short-term patterns may lead to quick trades, while long-term patterns can signal major trend changes. Always consider the timeframe when analyzing chart patterns and planning your trades. Experienced traders often combine multiple chart patterns and technical indicators for better results. For example, a head and shoulders pattern confirmed by a volume spike and a moving average crossover provides stronger evidence for a trend reversal. Combining patterns helps you build a more robust trading strategy and reduces the risk of false signals. While chart patterns are powerful tools, they are not foolproof. Market conditions, news events, and unexpected volatility can all impact the reliability of patterns. It's important to use chart patterns as part of a broader trading plan, including risk management and fundamental analysis. Always be prepared for the possibility of losses and adjust your strategy as needed. Get the most out of chart patterns, practice spotting them on real price charts. Start with historical data and gradually move to live markets as you gain confidence. Keep a trading journal to track your observations and results. Over time, you'll develop an eye for patterns and improve your decision-making skills. Remember, consistency and discipline are key to success in investing. Summary: chart patterns are essential tools for investors and traders looking to anticipate market moves. By learning to recognize and interpret these patterns, you can make more informed decisions and manage risk more effectively. Continue studying different patterns, practice regularly, and refine your strategy as you gain experience. With time and effort, chart patterns can become a valuable part of your investing toolkit.